today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide slides in Google Slides. This can be a really handy feature when you're preparing for presentations and need some slides to remain unseen, either because they're not yet complete or perhaps they contain information that's not needed for a specific audience. Hiding slides helps keep your presentation clean and ensures your audience only sees the most relevant content. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation. To do this, start by heading to the Google Slides website. If you haven't already opened it, you can find Google Slides easily by going to your browser and typing in Google Slides. Once the website comes up, you might need to sign in using your Google account. Make sure to use the account where your presentation is stored if you have multiple accounts. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage where you can see all of your available presentations. You can either start a new presentation by clicking on blank presentation or select an existing one if you want to continue working on something you've already started. Now that your slideshow is open, it's time to hide a slide. Look at the left-hand panel where all of your slides are listed. Browse through this list and select the slide you want to hide by clicking on the thumbnail. This highlights the slide and makes it ready for any edits. The next step is simple. Once you've selected the slide you want to hide, right-click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you will see an option labeled Skip Slide. Click on this option, and voila, your slide is now hidden. You'll notice the slide appears faded, indicating it has been successfully skipped. This means it won't show up when you play or present your slideshow. Remember, hiding a slide doesn't delete it, it's still there, and you can bring it back whenever you need. To unhide it, simply right-click the slide again and deselect Skip Slide. This makes it visible in your presentation once more. You can hide multiple slides at once by holding down the Control key or Command on Mac while selecting slides, then right-clicking and choosing Skip Slide. This is especially useful if you have backup slides or extra information you want ready but not shown. Hiding slides can also help you tailor presentations for different audiences without having to create separate files. Another tip is to combine hidden slides with slide links to create interactive presentations where only certain slides are revealed based on user choices. And there you have it. You now know how to hide slides in Google Slides. Practice this technique to make your presentations more dynamic, flexible, and audience-focused. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to experiment with this feature in your next presentation. Until next time, happy presenting.